If you're considering AeroLeads for your business, but aren't sure whether it's the right fit, there are 12 things you need to know before buying. We'll compare it to other landing page software options to help you make an informed decision. First off, AeroLeads is a tool focused on lead generation, specifically for businesses looking to build targeted contact lists. While it's a great option for finding prospects, it's not exactly a landing page builder like some of its competitors. If you need a tool primarily for creating landing pages, you might want to look elsewhere. Next thing, pricing. AeroLeads offers tiered plans starting with a basic one, but compared to other tools like Lead Pages or Instapage, it can seem a bit limited. The basic plan doesn't include all the features, so if you want full access, you're looking at a higher price. This is something to consider if you're on a budget. The third thing is integrations. AeroLeads does offer integrations with popular CRM systems, but it falls short compared to other platforms that have a wider range of integrations, especially when it comes to email marketing tools. If you rely on specific integrations, make sure AeroLeads supports what you need. The fourth thing to note is the user interface. AeroLeads is relatively simple to use, but it's not as sleek or intuitive as some of its competitors, like Unbounce or ClickFunnels. If you're new to lead generation software, you may experience a learning curve here. Next thing, AeroLeads is focused primarily on finding business leads, not really helping with the design or creation of landing pages. If you need something where both lead generation and landing page design are combined in one tool, this might not be the best choice. Now, the sixth thing to mention is the lead data. AeroLeads is great for collecting email addresses, phone numbers, and social profiles of potential leads, but it's important to note that the data isn't always 100% accurate, especially when compared to competitors like Hunter.io, which offer higher accuracy. The seventh thing is scalability. AeroLeads can work well for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs, but as your business grows, it might not be as flexible as other solutions like HubSpot, which offer more robust features for large-scale lead generation campaigns. The eighth thing is support. AeroLeads provides customer support, but it's not as responsive or as comprehensive as what you might find with other tools like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit, who offer more detailed resources and 24/7 support. Now, let's talk about the ninth thing, automation. AeroLeads doesn't offer the same level of automation as some of its competitors. If you're looking for automated workflows or lead nurturing, you might want to consider other platforms like GetResponse, which have more powerful automation tools. The 10th thing is reporting and analytics. AeroLeads provides basic analytics, but they lack the depth you'll find in other software like Lead Pages or Unbounce, which offer more comprehensive metrics to help you optimize your landing page performance. The 11th thing is mobile optimization. While AeroLeads offers some mobile responsive features, the tools aren't as advanced or customizable as those available with other landing page builders like Instapage, which let you fine-tune your mobile layouts. The 12th and final thing is the trial and free version. AeroLeads offers a free trial, but you're limited to a certain number of credits. If you need something more robust to test all the features, you may find that other tools offer better free trials with fewer limitations. Overall, AeroLeads is a good option for lead generation, especially if your primary goal is to build and grow an email list. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive landing page and lead generation solution, there are better options out there. Check out our recommended solution, which offers a free trial, and see how it compares.